Hey there guys, it's Math&More tutorials here again and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be going over the basics of p5.js. If you don't know what p5.js is, it's basically a JavaScript based programming language, and it's more of a visual programming language. So that means when you write your programs, they're usually going to be shown visually with drawings, and it can be implemented into HTML, hence the HTML file I've opened here. If you're wondering how to download it or the atom editor I'm using right here, I'll link those in the description. And if you want me to, I'll be doing a setup video later on. And yeah, let's get started. So the first thing is I have my HTML files blank because I don't have anything in my JavaScript file. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write a setup function and a draw function. So these two functions are the basis of mostly every project you're going to do. So you have to do function setup, okay, and you'll be doing function draw. So what setup does is it's a static function, meaning that anything you put in here, like create canvas, which we'll be going over in a second, it means it's not going to change. Whereas in the draw function, anything you put inside of here, it's going to be looped through continuously at a certain amount of frames per second. So let's say, okay, so what we're going to be doing in this video is we're going to be creating a ellipse. We're going to first create a canvas, then an ellipse, and then make that ellipse move with our mouse. So the first thing we got to do is we got to create our canvas, which is something you want to do in almost every one of your projects. So this is syntax for create canvas. Okay, and then for our two arguments, we're going to have our size. So we have to do 400 by 400 pixels. Okay, then we are going to have our background, and our background is going to be black. So I'm going to be using RGB syntax, red, green, blue. If you don't know what that is, I'll link you to some videos about that. So we have 0, 0, 0. This should give us black. And let's see, we are going to do a fill color. So for our ellipse, we're going to fill it with the color, let's say white. So we're going to do 255, 255, 255. Then finally our ellipse. Okay, so the first two arguments, let's just say, let's say 200 by 200. That's our X and Y position, and our width and height is going to be 100 and 100. Okay, let's save this. Okay, we're going to refresh this, and yes, as you can see, we have a white ellipse in a black background. If you followed everything so far, congrats, you wrote your first program, and let's improve on it a bit. So I wanted to say that I want my ellipse to move with my mouse. So how are we going to do that? Well, let's think about it. If we want our position to move with our mouse, so our X and Y, these parameters or arguments right here, have to change with respect to our mouse. So how are we going to do that? Well, we want this X to be our mouse's X, and in P5 there's a special keyword for that, mouse X, and for our Y position it's going to be mouse Y. Let's see if this works. Let's refresh our page, and as you can see, this ellipse is moving with our mouse. So this is great and all, but I want to do one more thing. You can see the trail it leaves behind, so I don't want that trail. So what are we gonna do? So what we can do is we can take this background out of setup, since we don't want it to be static anymore. Instead, we want it to be continuously drawn, so that whenever the ellipse goes over it, the background takes over again. So we add it right before our fill, and we should get a good result. Let's see. So as you can see, this leaves no trail behind, and we have an ellipse that moves with our mouse. Yeah, that should be it for our video. So yeah, that's it, guys. If you like this short video, please like and subscribe. And if you want more videos like this, please tell me in the comments below. And thank you very much. Thanks for watching.